So hello guys, my name is Spotify and this is a new video on a tutorial for programming called processing. Okay, so first of all, let's start from the absolute basics. Let's go over some basic shapes for the first tutorial. Okay, first, let's create a sort of circle. Now, in processing, things aren't called what they actually pretty much are. So a circle, we've called an ellipse. Now, straight out of ellipse, no capitals, nothing. Then open parentheses, then 50. Then the first argument is for the x of the shape. The second argument is for the y, and the next three is for the width and the height. Now you always need a semicolon after every single one of these sort of scripts. A few more, for example, would be size, which simply is width of the program and height of the program. But let's not do that in this tutorial. Now let's go back to ellipse. Now I want to create an ellipse that's 50 pixels, bottom of from the top of the program, and 50 pixels to the bottom of the program. Okay, now let's do the width. I want 80 pixels wide and 8 pixels high. Now if we just quickly run this, I can see, here's a circle. The diameter here is 50 pixels down there, 50 here, and it's 80 pixels wide. Now that's up the way. Let's go over some more basic shapes. There's points, which is literally just a pixel. Now because it's just a pixel, you don't need any width or height. You literally just need the coordinates. So same with ellipse, x goes first, then y. So let's do the same here. So I have 50. Let's also do that 50. If we just run that, actually here's a circle, slap bang straight in the middle. Next, there isn't really much over here. Now let's boost that up to 60 for example. It's 60 pixels more long. Well, 10 pixels long really. Okay, now let's let down to 50. Okay, now let's do a line. Line equals x1, then y1, then x2, then y2. And that's pretty much how it works. So first of all, let's do the x1 to the line. If you add 50 again, y2 equals 50, and that equals 80, for example. Now just on this, you see there's a line, slap bang in the middle. Now I know to change that to 60 so you can see the point. I can see, yeah. So that starts off 60 pixels from the left of the screen and 30 pixels down from the screen, and it ends on 80 pixels to the left and to the bottom. Now let's do a rectangle. Well, like I said with the ellipse, things aren't cool but they actually are. So a rectangle is actually a rect. So for example, let's do things with ellipse, shall we? 50, 50, 80, 80. Try that and run it. And you see this, I see. As you see, it doesn't do it like a circle does. It measures the top left hand corner to where the first X is. So I'll pretty much have to do it here. So let's boost this up to 20. Whoops. Let's go up to 20. For example. Now I see it's pretty goddamn big. That's no matter, doesn't matter about that. My nose. Mine is. I mean, I'll go over this in another tutorial. Expecting. I mean, sorry guys. This is sort of going wrong. Okay, there we go. Now if you see, there's now a rectangle there. Pretty much. Anyway. Now I'll show you how to write our very first program. Now this is not going to be a sort of hello world program as you would normally run, but let's give it a shot. Okay, very much. You should only know one command in this, but I'm going to go over this entire script in the next program, next tutorial. Okay, first credit let's do void setup, open bracket, space, open bracket, enter, then size, how big you want it. I'm going to go 480 with 120, close that. Now remember this is how wide the program is, and this is how high it is. So it's going to be quite a long program. It's be quite a long program, you can see. Yeah. So let's do that. Enter twice, make it look neater. Into void, draw, open and close parentheses, space, drag open brackets, then if, open parentheses, mouse, press. Now the thing about programming is capitals are very important. You need that capitals and no capitals. If I was on a capital, you need to come down a capital, okay? So open brackets, fill, open parentheses, 0, close, semicolon. Then enter, close brackets, else, open brackets, fill, equals 255. Close parentheses, semicolon. Close parentheses, then enter, ellipse, equals, mouse, capital LX, don't show that, then mouse, capital Y, then 80, close parentheses, semicolon, enter. Now from this, see it should be a circle up here, yeah? Nothing special, right? But if you hover your mouse over, it should create a circle with a fill of alpha of 255. Now if the mouse is pressed, does it to 0 alpha. It's pretty much black, which is black actually to be fair. And now you may want to play one of the script. A few things I would do is push down to 10 for example. And this pretty much lowers the size of your ellipse. Now, you can turn this to RGB colours. The first one is alpha, second one's red, third one's green, and the third one's blue. So it goes 100. And the maximum is 255. If we boost this to 100, then enter. And you can see the alpha is not very big. Oh yeah, let's boost this to 255 it should be. And you can see it's now wet. Should be pretty cool. Alright, wait a minute. First 0. Now produces a totally clear painting. Oh no, sorry guys. This one's red, this one's green, this is blue, and this is the alpha. So, but like I said, in the next tutorial I'll be going over how to do the script and what everything means. Now for the second part of the tutorial, I need to show you how to do certain stuff with the script. This is one's the program. This is stops the program, as you can see. This is new. Is a file very accurate. Open. Able to open files that you have. For example, a few stuff which I never actually did get to use or work or anything. Then it's save. We're able to save the work. If there's, for example, save as desktop, save as test. For example, save. Now if you go down to the desktop, test. Now if you go into here, test PCE. Now you just say, hey, but this isn't a program, we don't have process and compiler, you won't be able to run it. Well, yes, that's a very good point. Now is where export application comes in. Now, for example, I don't have to Mac OS X because I'm no point on it or anything else. So, if you export it, you can see it exported it. You go into here, you have test and source. This is the source of your code. If you open up this, you bring up the code which you use to put out if you run test. You want to program, which is pretty cool. For example, you're able to then move these to your desktop and have a normal program with it, which is why I love processing, because it's such an easy script and it's just so easy to work it and do everything else with it. Anyway, thanks guys, this is the first tutorial, and see you next time.